Hey, I'm Josh Finkelstein. I'm the Director of Sales for KLH, and we're here at Audio Advice Live. We are debuting our new Model 4 speakers. They don't come out till September, but you can hear them at Audio Advice Live this weekend. The Model 4 is the first three-way 8-inch speaker that we've made in our lineup. We are really excited to bring it out in this beautiful English walnut. We're also bringing it out in a light oak and a black ash. All three of them will be available mid-September, and they come with the stands that you see here in the box, so you don't have to buy anything separately. Next to them is our flagship Model 7 speaker, which has been out for about a year. This adds a 13-inch woofer to a 5-inch mid-range and a 1-inch tweeter. But what makes all of our speakers special is they have a acoustic suspension design. This means that the boxes are completely sealed. They don't have a port. That gives you tighter bass control, and it allows you greater flexibility to set them up anywhere in your room. You don't have to have them far away from the wall, and you don't really have to mess with them and tow them in and dial them in. They sound great as soon as you set them up. So if you want to learn any more about this, you can go to Audio Advice's website, or you can go to klhaudio.com.